Hello guys, and today we are going to be coding. By the way, I did get like some new monitors and stuff, so I got a new microphone. So I got my first microphone actually. This is my first microphone. So I'm on my actual PC. So I love to title it, but so today we're going to be learning HTML, JS, JavaScript, and CSS. So on the HTML, in this body part, by the way, to get all of that, you have to make an exclamation mark, then enter. So after you do that, in this body part, like in the code, there's something, and it's a body tag. So then inside that, we're going to put this right here, and for inside that H1, we're gonna add a class. We'll just name it text, and we're gonna name it hi. And so if you don't know, there is an extension that you need. So you go right here, then you search an extension. It's called Live Server. Then mine says uninstall since I already have it. But yours will say install, and you press that. So after you've done that, so click on your file, which is probably right here, something like that, and open with Live Server. And you'll see hi. And that's because right here we have our text. So now where CSS comes in. So we're gonna create a new file named style.css. And so we're gonna say up here, not in the body, we're gonna say link CSS, and it'll give us that. And also and then after that we need to make one more file naming script.js, which is JavaScript. So and then we can do script src, and in that we can put script.js. But we're not going to use JavaScript yet. But so we've made a class that was named text. So this is where CSS comes in. You can so CSS is basically the style of so right now we can make we're gonna say color, which is gonna be the text color. We can make it red. And the font family, you can do any font family, by the way. Soon I'll show you how to put more font families in here. And now you open with Live Server, and the font's Roboto, and it's red. And so style.css, we can make this any color, so we can make it white. And all I need to tell you now is right here, we can put this in right here. We're gonna put background color is black. Let's just do that. So then the text is white since we changed it to white, and now all that's black. How do you change the text size though? Well, it's very easy. Font size 250 pixels, which stands for PX in CSS. Now we can open it, and now it's way bigger, right? So now you can add lots of stuff. And how to center the text, like center it, is gotta add a display to it, and the display is gonna be flex. And then you gotta justify content center. And now it's centered right here. Or we could do a line text center too. And so, wait, no, it's text align center. So now, since we've got that, we're gonna get into JavaScript. If you don't know what that is, so we're gonna make the text 0. Now we're gonna say button on click equals plus 1. We're gonna put plus 1. Then the next one we're gonna put is obviously a minus. So minus 1. We'll just do plus minus 1. No, it sounded a little confusing. So in this we're gonna say let label equal document dot query selector, however you say it. And then let's go over here and we're gonna type in dot text. And we're gonna say let count equal 0. So we're gonna say function plus. And if there's any bugs, I know how to solve it. So if it doesn't work, it won't work for me either. So count equals plus count plus number. And then after that, we're gonna do label dot inner HTML, and we're gonna say count. So then plus 1, minus 1, and now it actually works. Then minus 1 goes down. And we can style the buttons, and we don't even need a class. Button. So it's button. And we can make the width of it. We're not doing any font size or anything. Like there's no font. And then height 100. Nah. Let's do 40 pixels. But we are using pixels in it, obviously. Then font size now. Which the height, so we can make it like 35 pixels. We can copy all of that. We're just gonna copy all of that, but they're not in the center. So now it works more though. Let's just make it dot button. If you don't know what dot means, it means it has to have a class. That class is going to be button. Or we can also change the class. Change it to BTN. We're gonna change it to BTN, which stands for button. Then still does that, but I've got an idea. So there's this thing that can move the position around, and all we need to do is just make it look good. We're doing position relative, and we're gonna say left, and then we're gonna say left, and in that left we're gonna do like 670 pixels. Let's try it. And it's probably not gonna be fully. Yeah, it's not fully there. And remember, I have a big monitor, so if it does for you, then you can stop. But mine doesn't do it. Not mine yet. You just gotta get it to the right pixels. 400. By the way, to everyone, Merry Christmas. Forgot to say that. No. Sorry about that.
Was this a good or bad Christmas?
Good, honestly. Sorry, sometimes my brother comes in. He's kind of weird. So, I feel like we need to add something border radius. So then we have to add a border radius, which is 50 px. Which, or we can make them 20 px, or 20 pixels. And I still need to do it, so I'm gonna go to 10 pixels. Now that looks good. The background color is gonna be white. It all still works. And this is exactly how you can make a scoreboard. So, speaking of scoreboard, that's what we all do right now. So, first, text T1, BTNT1. So, BTN. So then we're gonna make this a 2. We just need copy all that. And so since we just made a +2 function, we also need some gonna put it on. Now you see? Let's see how that works. So now, sorry I haven't talked for a while. So we're trying to get the right position, but right now it is way too far out. So now, that is not good. So we have to make it maybe by like 600. Maybe 600 will work. And yes, it did. So by the way, and so JavaScript. Okay. Just put 2. Alright. So now alright. So we're gonna put the 2 like where it says like 2 on the bottom, and we're going to make it like go up. And it's only at 250. It should be at like 300. 350 will work. So let's try it. So that's a little higher, but it's not that high. Okay. So sometimes it takes long. Oh my gosh. Trying to make this I'm gonna make that right. And instead of 120, we can make like 320. And there it is. And so, if you like this, then make sure you know. So now we're gonna see how it is. Oh, now it looks good. And now we've got a working scoreboard. And if you wanna make the font family for like everything, then I would just wanna put this and font family is the one we've been using. Now it's for the buttons too. And so that's today's video. See you next time. And if you want to see the result, I will show it on my screen right now. So for some reason, so now to show you it. This is what it should look like. And it does work. And just to show you something. So now, okay, I'm going to split screen. So now I'm gonna split screen. So I'm just split screening it there. So now I can see this nut. So let's go back into our code editor. We're gonna copy and paste this. Open, what just happened there? And we're gonna make this 2 and minus 2. Then we're gonna say plus 2 and minus 2. And we'll do plus 3 minus 3. Then we're gonna do plus 6. Then minus 6. Then I'm just gonna copy all of that. Then put it in here. And just change all of these to the plus 2 function. And now we have lots of buttons. But we can't see all of them because of the screen. So I'll just do this. And this will make it even better. So then, and now we do it one more time. And so now you can see all buttons. And change all these to 2. Forgot to do that. It should pop up, yeah. Okay, so sorry guys, I had my mic muted on accident, and so it is looking pretty good. It's just that this stupid. So I'm gonna undo that. So we're gonna make the bottom. Oh wait, this is not the one. Let's go to the butt. I think we're supposed to go to the text too, actually. It's a little up, so maybe we can do 790 free. Sometimes I like to make it perfect. And then also you how to make calculators, etc. So, and for some reason, oh, there it is. is my first tutorial, by the way. Probably, I'm not doing that good on my first tutorial, obviously.
Y'all like go outside. What do y'all wanna do?
So now, now that's just a little weird.
What are y'all trying to do?
And we're gonna try to make the buttons actually go with it. So now, yeah, it does work now. I believe that's good. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Please subscribe and see you next time.